Nice hat. That's a nice hat. There you go. Okay, come on. Yay!
Noah!
Noah, where are you?
Elmo to you.
Noah, I can't see you. Hi. Noah, where are you?
No saying when Gary Sheffield was coming through. Black players. Yeah. And then when we got Granderson.
Where is he? I don't see him. Where's Noah? Where's your hat? Oh, put your hat on. Put your hat on.
Just look down the whole bench. There's no black player on his hat.
Where is he?
He's gone. And Granderson.
Noah, where are you? I don't see you.
So.
Well, they said, I heard a lot of people saying that Granderson, one of the reasons he was traded because he wasn't like a team.
Where are you? Oh, there you are.
A team player. Like it was all me.
You put your hat on?
Yeah, I never heard that until today. I heard the guys at the park saying it. So I don't know.
Can you put your hat on, please?
He was always, going to schools.